Hello everyone, bonjour. Welcome to this weekly vlog. This is the first one and we have got a busy week. I have been super lazy. I mean, not lazy because I was kind of sick for the past 2 months and I feel like I need to get my life back together. So this is what we're going to focus on this week. I'm working from home majority of the week. I'm a consultant in Paris. I'm also a content creator, and yeah, that's what we're gonna focus on this week. I am definitely gonna try and go back to the gym, gonna try and drink my 3 liters, approximately a gallon of water a day, get more sleep, all that jazz. My apartment is also in dire need of a deep clean out because not only is it spring, so it's time for spring cleaning, but I'm hosting a friend next week because we're going to Taylor Swift concert. So yeah, I want to get my place in order for that. So yeah, a busy week and I can't wait. The weather is also perfect for me right now in Paris because although I do like a sunny day, I hate when it's hot outside. And today the sky is blue and the birds are singing. But mostly the weather is like not too hot, so that's perfect for me. This sunscreen is almost empty, but I'm determined to get my 2 fingers worth of sunscreen. There we go. So this is a really quick skincare. Of course, I'm always wearing sunscreen every single day of the year and I hope you are too. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup and film a few videos before I start working. Well, so much for going to bed early. It's currently, I want to say midnight. Let me check. Yeah, 12:24. Things got out of control. A friend stopped by after work and we ended up chatting for a while. And yeah, afterwards I had to eat. I had to do my skincare and now it's 12:24 and I'm definitely not getting my 8 hours of sleep tonight. But it's okay. I did a lot of cleaning, which I'm happy about. And I have a lot of time. Like I have tomorrow, I'm not gonna cite the days of the week, but I still have time like to do things. So I'm happy I had a good day. I was productive, which is, I feel like Mondays, if any of the day of the week are most important, it's Mondays. Because if you're productive on Mondays, then it gives you like a sort of like energy for the rest of the week, which I really like. Right now I'm just doing my LED mask. I'm gonna do like 10 minutes. I do like 10 minutes 3 times a week. I'm gonna read for a while and then I'll just go to bed. I really try and do my skincare most of the time an hour before I go to bed. I think I'm just gonna wait 30 minutes because I'm tired. See you tomorrow. I genuinely do not know when the last time I got some ironing done was. I hate ironing. It's like my least favorite chore, but I also hate wearing clothes that aren't ironed. Thank God I have like too many clothes. So like I can go by without ironing, but I really want to go back to ironing every Sunday morning. That way I don't have a lot of ironing to get done. So I'm gonna tackle the huge amount of ironing, which is like I think the 5th time or 10th time that I've said that in like a minute. I'm gonna tackle that, and I really don't want to. I don't want to do this, but I also like I know every time I iron I feel so good after it's done. And one thing I've been implementing is that, and this has not been working great, but I put all of my clothes to be ironed on top of my makeup, like I have a little caddy stuff, and I put it there because I was like, well, I do my makeup like every day, I like doing it, so if I put it there, it's gonna bother me and I'm gonna do the ironing. Well, hasn't been working great, but now at least that area will not be cluttered. So let's go. And that's on impulse control being at an all-time low. I'm gonna dermaplane my face for the first time at home alone. Okay, so I'm being very careful. I watched a lot of tutorials by estheticians. I'm using a scalpel, not a twinkle razor. I'm doing this on dry skin, and I'm also holding my skin taut and using the blade at like a 45-degree angle. And this is gonna get rid of my peach fuzz, but also get rid of any dry leftover skin cell, like dead skin cell. So using a pad to just get rid of it. All right, so I'm gonna go to bed. Not that tired because today was a bank holiday in France, so I rested for quite a bit part of the day. I'm just changing my pillowcase because it's Wednesday, and let me aim for the laundry basket. Yes, made it. So yeah, so I didn't do that much. I just did a lot of like editing for TikTok, and I called some friends and family. So yeah, not feeling really tired, but it's already midnight, and wow, well, guess I'm tired. I said I was gonna focus on getting my 8 hours of sleep this week, so I want to go to bed early-ish, although 10 p.m. would have been better. To get like a little more tired, I'm gonna do some reading instead of being on my phone. Currently reading All About Love by Bell Hooks. I initially bought this in October because my grandpa passed, and I heard that there's quite a bit of like useful and helpful information on grieving and love in that sense, so I wanted to buy that, and now I'm just reading it as a whole. I'm also gonna do my Faded by Topicals. I do this on my hand because I did burn my hand, like I'm really clumsy. I burned my hand here with my oven and here with the thing to light my candles, so I let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm also gonna do some Rhode peptide lip treatment. I always have a lip balm on my bedside table. So yeah, so far this week has been going okay. I feel like I put a lot of pressure on myself whenever I do these kind of resets. I feel like most of the time I'm a pretty organized person, but I also feel a lot of pressure because I'm organized on the times where I'm not. I feel like I'm being harsher on myself because I know that I have that standard, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to be like nice towards myself. So I haven't gone to sleep early, like as early as I would have liked. I haven't been diligent about drinking my 3 liters of water, but I did do the ironing today, and I've been putting that off for like weeks. So I'm trying to focus on that. I'm trying to focus on the fact that what else? Something just like I had something in mind and then I forgot about it. Yeah, the apartment cleaning, that is going like well. So yeah, everything's going like average, I want to say. I also really liked tonight because there was a storm and I really like the thunder. Like I like hearing it, like thunder, lightning. Yeah, that's it. Tomorrow I'm going to show you my working from home routine. It's going to be quite a quiet day, and I'm gonna go to the gym on Friday. I was gonna go on Monday, but then my friend came, so that's it. I just woke up. I'm so tired. I couldn't sleep last night. Like, I read and still felt really energized, so I woke up and I washed my hair. This is unhinged behavior. But yeah, we're gonna do a slow working from home day. I also have to go to the building manager's office to pick up some packages. Unboxing because I received some care products. First, gonna open this. This is magnesium biglycinate, which I bought off of Amazon because it helps with sleep, and I really want to get like in my unwinding mood before sleeping. This is from Benefit Club Pink. I don't know what's in it. The packaging is so cute. Like, what is in there? Ooh. So we have the Professional Overnight AHA PHA Pore Treatment. We have the Smoothing Face Primer. And this is the Precisely My Brow Detailer in Black Brown. This is, I think it's going to be too warm because it is warm black brown, but I'm going to try it. This is a French brand, Les Secrets de Loli. This is like so good for the curls. So we have all this, and we have the Dermalogica Ultra Calming Mist, which I really want to try because I love the hyaluronic acid mist. So yeah, that's the little unboxing. Back to eating because it's lunchtime and work. It's Friday night, 10 p.m. Today was uneventful. I worked from home. I was planning on doing some content creation. I had like a few makeup ideas I wanted to film because if you didn't know, I'm a French content creator on TikTok, and I create content in English as well on Instagram. But yeah, I didn't feel like it. I just worked from home and pretty much that was all. I was supposed to go out and I was really excited about that. There was this clubbing event with like classical rap, French music, R&B. By French music, I mean Caribbean French music. But I was supposed to go with a friend and she's feeling ill. She's got some fever, so we're not going. So that's a bummer for her and for us not going. But I'm going to do a just movie night at home. I ordered Uber Eats because quite frankly, I have nothing in my fridge. I need to go shopping, grocery shopping this weekend. Um, yeah, did not drink water at all today, so that's not good at all. I watched The Idea of You last night. Oh my god, that movie made me blush. The chemistry between Anne Hathaway and Nicholas, I don't know how to pronounce his last name, Nicholas G. Holy hell, like, oh, that was hot. I also really like the movie. I received the package today from Rare Beauty, a few lippies because I really like to do lip combos. So I'm gonna unbox that and swatch that on my hand for you. This is a very unflattering situation. Look at how, like, the wrapping paper, it's pink, it's so cute. So here are the goodies that I got. We have 2 lip liners, 2 lip, one lip souffle, 1 lip oil, and 1 kind word matte lipstick. I do have the matte lipstick in shade Talented. This one is shade Lively, which, let me show you. So this is the shade. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like a peachy shade. I love it. Then we have the lip liner in Wise and Strong. So let's swatch that really quickly. They feel really nice. Oh, I didn't know that they were like twist lip liners. Okay, pretty. This is Wise. This is Strong. Let me show you. Oh my god. I'm gonna love these. I mean, I asked for these specific colors, so I kind of knew, but they're even prettier IRL. So this is Strong and this is Wise. Now onto the lip souffle in Transform. I'm gonna love this. Oh my god, yes. This is exactly what it looked like on the website. And finally, the lip oil in Honesty, which I feel like it looked really cool toned, and I love that. So let's check. Oh yes, holy, oh my god, that is gorgeous. So here it is. So I'm gonna enjoy my evening, and that will be the end of our week.